Here is the Le Petit Reed Diffuser Gift Box. Now, we were sent this to test out, and as soon as it came in, this was gift wrapped so beautifully, I didn't want to even open it. It was just, everything was so pretty. So much detail went into this packaging, it's unreal. This is pure luxury in a bottle. This is a beautiful balance of home fragrance, so it's got like that natural elegance and thoughtful design. The balsam fir fragrance brings the refreshing aroma of like evergreen into your home, while the preserved flower bouquet adds a delicate decorative touch that makes it as beautiful as it does functional. It's perfect for holidays, housewarmings, or any special occasion where presentation matters. This is a crisp, clean, and authentically natural. It smells like a walk through a snowy evergreen forest. It's strong enough to fill a room without being overpowering, but it creates like a calm, cozy, and festive atmosphere, so it's perfect to have out in almost any room. The mini preserved bouquet inside the diffuser adds a stunning visual element. It's a small detail that turns this diffuser into a true piece of home decor. Plus, this diffuser gives off a steady, gentle aroma for weeks, keeping your home smelling fresh without needing to light candles or plug in devices, because the reed sticks absorb the fragrance oil beautifully, diffusing it evenly in every room. These flowers were handcrafted in Austin, Texas. If you are looking for a gift for someone this Christmas, I highly recommend this diffuser reed set. This also has the option of just ordering the gift box in the tube, the diffusers only. So the tube option's perfect. It's going to still include the eucalyptus, the lavender, and the bunny tails inside the packaging. If you want more florals, customization, or purchasing as a gift, the full gift box is the best option.